Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's episode, we're diving into what we're calling the best fishing party supplies you can get your hands on. The 170PCS Gone Fishing Party Decorations by Linhaxm. If you're planning a kid's birthday or even an adult celebration with a whimsical, rustic twist, this complete set might just be the catch of the day. Let's kick things off with what exactly you're getting in this jam-packed 170-piece bundle. It's designed to serve 24 guests and includes 24 dinner plates, 24 dessert plates, 24 cups, 24 napkins, and full sets of cutlery. That's 24 forks, spoons, and knives. Add to that a vibrant themed tablecloth and a large, "Gone Fishing" banner, and you've got the makings of an unforgettable themed celebration. Now, what sets this apart is the detail in the design. Every plate, cup, and napkin is adorned with playful fishing-themed illustrations. Think boats, bait, fishing rods, trees, and a flowing river. The colors are earthy and lively, blending together to create a joyful, outdoor vibe. This isn't just party-wear, it's decoration that tells a story and brings a theme to life. It's not only visually charming, but also practical. All the paper components are made from thick, high-quality materials and printed using food-grade, water-based ink. That means it's safe for serving food, and sturdy enough to avoid those dreaded soggy plate disasters. Plus, it's fully disposable, and that means no piles of dirty dishes waiting for you after the fun ends. The waterproof tablecloth is a game-changer for messy eaters or outdoor setups. Whether you're hosting the party at home, in a park, or by a lakeside cabin, you can focus on the fun and leave the cleanup to a quick sweep. Another thing to love about this set is its versatility. While it's perfect for a first birthday party, playfully labeled, "Officially One," you're not limited to just that. Whether it's a child's birthday, a family gathering, a summer barbecue, or even a quirky retirement party, this kit brings that lakeside charm and a splash of humor to any occasion. And since this is an all-in-one pack, you don't need to worry about piecing together matching items. It's all been thoughtfully curated to look cohesive and festive straight out of the box. Overall, the 170PCS Gone Fishing Party Decorations by Linhaxm is a fantastic, fun, and functional option if you're aiming to throw a party with character, color, and convenience. From the quality of the materials to the creative artwork and the sheer convenience of setup and cleanup, this party pack absolutely delivers. That's it for today's product critique. If you're ready to throw a real awesome party, this set might just be your best catch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss our next honest product breakdown. See you next time.